Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at rates and unit rates. If you completed the grade 8 fraction videos, today's lesson will be a lot easier on you. So rates compare unlike quantities. So for example, a 2-liter sports drink costs $5, and so the rate comparing dollars to liters is $5 over 2 liters, like that. So for every 2 liters, you pay $5, or for every $5, you get 2 liters. A player scores 21 goals in 63 games. So we have 21 goals per 63 games. This reduces to 1 goal every 3 games, like that. C. A man walks 5 kilometers in 55 minutes. So we have 5 kilometers to 55 minutes. This reduces to 1 kilometer every 11 minutes, like that. So when writing rates, just like ratios, we use only integers for the numerator and denominator, no decimals or mixed fractions. Unit rates. Unit rates are where the denominator is equal to 1. So our $5 to 2 liters, we divide that, which gives us $2.5 per liter. You can write it like this or like that, $2.5 per liter, like that. 21 goals in 63 games reduces to 0.33, so 0.33 goals per game. C. 5 kilometers over 55 minutes reduces to 0.09 kilometers per minute. So in all of them, the denominator is equal to 1. Okay, time for some practice. So in each rate, you're going to simplify it, and then also determine the unit rate. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So A, 896 students over 28 teachers reduces to 32 students per teacher. And so this is already a unit rate, so unit rate is 32 students per teacher. B, 300 kilometers per 3.5 hours. This, to get rid of the period, we're going to go times 10, top and bottom. And then we can simplify it by 5. And so we have 600 kilometers per 7 hours. We perform that division and we get 85.71 kilometers per hour as our unit rate. So in 1 hour, they travel 85.71 kilometers, like that. C, 14 magazines over $22 reduces to 7 magazines per $11. Perform that division to get the unit rate, so we get 0.63 magazines per dollar, like that. D, 15 clients per 20 minutes, or every 20 minutes, you can think of it that way too. So this reduces to 3 over 4, so our reduced rate is 3 clients every 4 minutes. And so the unit rate, perform that division, 0.75 clients per minute, like that. E, 10 problems are done every 12 minutes, reduces to 5 over 6. And so our unit rate, perform the division, 0.83 problems per minute. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.